Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Green color, purple color, red color, blue color, chocolate color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Square, triangle, heart, star, pentagon and circle. Now let's draw the shapes. Square, triangle, heart, star, pentagon, circle. Now put the color. Green color, square, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star, chocolate color, pentagon, blue color, circle, what we learn? We learn green color, square, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star, chocolate color, pentagon, blue color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.